What is up everyone? Welcome to a park tour video. Since the weather is very nice today, that means I'll be doing a walking tour of Simonston Park. This park is located in Markham. So let's begin. So now, I am entering the park along this path. That is right, I am going to continue walking this way. This park comes with a decent number of paths. As I walk further, I am going to make a left turn. On the left side, you can see that there is a gazebo right over there. This gazebo is quite decent size, and it provides a fair amount of shade. There are also several picnic tables, which makes it an ideal spot for gatherings. That is right. As you can see right over here, there is also a built-in chessboard, which is pretty cool. It comes with a chessboard. Either way, people can play chess or checkers. This park also comes with some splash pads. Whenever the weather gets too hot or humid though, this is a good place to cool off. That is right. As you can see, there are multiple different sprinklers in this splash pad. And there is a button right there to turn it on. Very nice, right? So now, I am going to continue walking north along this path. As I continue to explore this park, I would like to see what other features does this park include. That is right. So, as I continue walking along this path, I think I do encounter something cool. It looks like that this park has some workout equipment installed. Looks pretty cool, right? It looks more like some leg workout machine as I see over here, or leg extension, or something that's used for leg curls. But let's take a look. These are the equipment. I do realize that not all parks have these though, but certain parks do come with it. Very cool, right? So now, I'm going to continue walking along this path. It seems like that this path is going to be a long one. But let's continue. I would like to find out what other features are included in this park. As I'm walking, I can see that the path continues over there. And the path kind of goes in a curve as well. There also seems to be some soccer fields down there as well. Because why not? There's a lot of green grassy space. There is also additional workout equipment in this park. Let's take a look. This looks more like an equipment used to train your biceps. It is very cool for parks to have these types of features. Now, I am going to get back on the path and continue walking along right over here. It is very nice to have a walk, especially during the evening, around the sunset, because it is cooler then and not so humid. This park comes with a decent amount of trees. So that means this park provides plentiful of shade. There are also a lot of bushes. Alongside the path, especially when you walk, you will see a lot of bushes. And also, seating areas too. Like as there are the benches right over there. As I'm walking, the path continues to curve. It is curving more on towards the right. But I am going to continue walking just to find out where this park leads to. I'm assuming that this park is actually pretty decent size. It does cover a lot of space. And there is a lot of green field, which is what I like. There's another bench right over there. So, there is another path which splits off of the main path. But let's take a look. I am going to turn on this other path right over here. It looks like that this path has even more shade. But let's take a look. As you can see that there are bushes on both sides of the path, which is very nice. There are still a lot of trees along this path. I would be curious to see where this path even leads to. It is also nice that I'm walking, especially when it's during sunset, you know? So it seems like that this path kind of leads to an end. So this small path here that branches off of the main path is actually a shorter path. It is leading towards another park sign, which I believe is probably the end of this park. So I am now walking back from where I started off, and there seems to be another path that branches off on my left. But where I started, it was more on the right. So that means I am going to turn this way on my left and see if this path continues anywhere further besides the road. So that means I am going to continue walking this way. And the path is curving towards the left. Okay, so it looks like that the path ends right over here. It just leads back to where the road is. So, this will be the end of the park tour video. Thank you guys for watching.